Hey there, have you ever wanted to send a bunch of emails at once but didn't know how? Let's chat about how you can use Gmail for bulk emailing. It's super easy and a game changer for staying in touch with everyone. Want to learn some tips and tricks together? So hello everyone, I hope everything's doing well first. So in this video, I will just show you how you can just send bulk emails using Gmail like a pro. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser firstly, and you have just to dive into Gmail as you can see, and here we have here mail merge, and also I will show you how you can just create a mail merge. Then here we have how you can just make a copy on the Google Sheets. Then I will show you how you can compose and you get started by just writing this email. All right, so let's just come back. Firstly, I will show you how you can just create a Gmail account on mail.google.com. But first, let's just know what is bulk emailing right now. So bulk emailing is a fantastic way to keep everyone in the loop, whether you are sharing updates, promoting an event, or just checking in with friends and family. I will give you the steps to do it effectively, and I will also share some tips and make sure your emails land in the right inbox and don't get marked as spam. Alright, so now that we have covered why bulk emailing is so useful, let's dive into the steps. But hey, before we do, let me just say something. If you are in thinking that sounds complicated, don't worry, I promise I'm right here with you. Now grab your laptop and let's jump into it together. I walk you down each step and feel free to pause the video and catch up if you need to. So the first step that you have to do is just dive into mail.google.com. If you don't have a Gmail account, you have just to write your name and your password and some information. Then you have just to create your account on gmail.com. If you already have an account, you have just to do like I did. You have just to link your email address and your password. Then you get started and you'll find your account. You can also here click over Gmail and you have just to link your information if you want to log in, also if you want to create a Gmail, and you get started. Then you have just right now to dive into mail merge and you'll find this page. You have just to click over create a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. Then you'll find another page, which is this one. As you can see, here you find this page. I will show you how you can create a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheet first. The first one here we have firstly coding level, then we have duration, product type. Then right now let's just know some information before getting started. We have here the objectives that you have to understand. The first one, understand what the solution does, understand what the application script services do within the solution, serve the script, run the script as well. Then we have here about the solution as well. Automatically populate an email template with data from Google Sheets. The emails are sent from your Gmail account to that you can respond to recipient replies. So here we have how it works. On the right we have here how you can get started, and here we have how it looks the home page. Right now let's just know how it works. You can just create a Gmail draft template with placeholders that correspond to data in a sheet spreadsheet. Each column or files holder in a sheet represents a placeholder tag. The script sends the information for each placeholder from the spreadsheet to the location of the corresponding placeholder tag in your email drafts. Then we have here some sites. Then we have how you can swap the script. So this one is very important how you can get started. You can just click over make a copy, but first let's just know how you can create the application script project. The first one, which is click the follow button to make a copy of Gmail like that. Gmail Sheets mail merge or mail merge, sorry. Then you have simple spreadsheets. The application script project for this solution is attached to the spreadsheets. Then we have here new copied the second one, spreadsheet update recipients column with email addresses you want to use in the Gmail mail. Then we have the third one, add, edit, or remove columns to customize the data you want to include in your email template. And also we have here how you can create an email template, run the script, and we have here how you can review the code, the modifications, contributors, and the next steps. You have just to read all this information to more understand how it works with this one and how you can create a mail merge using this application or this website or this platform. Right now you have just to scroll down and you click over make a copy, and you'll find other page, which is this one, as you can see. So here we have Google Sheets, copy document, the attached application script file and functionality will also be copied. Here we have, would you like to make a copy of Shimo or Sheets, like mail merge here, and you click over mail make a copy, and you'll find other page, which is this one, as you can see. Here we have the files is completed, like we have here the first name, and we have here some examples. For example, here we have Sherlock, and about the last name we have Holmes, and then we have here the recipient, which is email.com. Then we have here discount and Google application script books about the description. Then we have the discount code here, the discount amount, and also we have email sent. Right now we have just to come back here in the fourth one, and you have just to add your first name, the last name, the recipient or the Gmail, and then you have to add the description account and the discount code and the discount amount. So, but firstly, we have here, I will give you some example how you can send it first. So by the way, about the first name and the last name and the recipient and the description, you don't have to modify it. It is important to guard it like that. And about the discount code and the discount amount, you can just modify it and write whatever you want. Also here you have just to get started in the fourth file, and you have to add like this one. For example, you add here your first name, your last name, your recipient, description, and here we have the discount code and the discount amount. So let's come back to the Gmail. And just to click over compose, and then you'll find the page, which is this one. So here you have just to add firstly here the recipient, and you have just to put it in the parentheses, and then here we have the description, as you can see, and here we get started. So we have here is a discount code. You add the discount code, and here we have hey, and we add the first name and the recipient here, and then you get started. Here we have, I'm reaching out to you to send you this month's discounting code. I hope you subscribe to us for more existing offers. Let us know what this experience is like for you. Then you have your thanks, and you write here your name, which is, for example, Jordan, and you click over send, and you get started with this one, as you can see. All right, so let's just come back. I will show you how you can create a mail merge. Right now you have just to come back here, and you click over mail merge, and then you click over send emails, and you click over OK, and then you have to link your email here that you want to send it, and then you get started. So this is how you can do that. So set up your Google Sheet for bulk emails. You have just to create a new sheet with headers like name, email, subject, and message. Fill in the rows with the details for each recipient using placeholder like name and the message for personalization. This structure will facilitate the mail merge process for sending emails. So this is it, how it works with this one. And as such, sending bulk emails with Gmail is super easy once you know the steps. I hope you found it helpful and feel free to give it a try. Remember, you can reach out to so many people in just a few clicks. If you have any question or run into any issues, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and happy email on. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.